Hello and welcome to Mouselow Car Centre. Today I'm pleased to offer this 2016 16 plate Kia Sportage First Edition 4-wheel drive automatic 2-litre diesel. Having had 2 owners from new and covered just 34,000 miles, the vehicle comes with a full service history and features included heating front and rear seats, front and rear parking sensors and an electric panoramic sunroof. For more information or to arrange a test drive, visit our website at www.mouselow.co.uk or call us on 0161 494 2113. Thank you for watching.